Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to Slow English Stories. Today's story is not about travel or mystery. It's about something more powerful. The secret to learning English faster. A simple habit that can change everything. Listen carefully, repeat with me, and discover the power of practice. This story will help you practice listening and shadowing in English. But it will also give you a tool to improve every day. If you stay with me until the end, you will not only learn new words, you will also learn how to build a routine. And routines are the real secret to fluency. So, let's do this together, step by step. Follow me, listen, repeat, and let English become a natural part of your life. If you enjoy learning this way, don't forget to subscribe. Because here, every story brings you closer to fluency. There was once a young man named Daniel. He wanted to speak English fluently. He had tried many times before. Books, apps, courses, but nothing really worked. Why? Because he practiced only once in a while. Some days he studied a lot. Other days he did nothing. And slowly his motivation disappeared. One day, Daniel met an old teacher. The teacher smiled and said, "Daniel, fluency is not about big efforts. It's about small steps every day." Daniel looked confused. "Small steps, but I want big results." The teacher explained, "Think about water. One drop is nothing, but thousands of drops create a river." That night, Daniel decided to test the idea. He made a promise. "I will practice English just 10 minutes a day, no matter what." The first week, it felt easy. 10 minutes was nothing. But then he noticed something strange. After 10 minutes, he wanted more. He listened for 15, 20, even 30 minutes, and he enjoyed it. He started repeating sentences out loud. He walked around his house, speaking to himself in English. Simple things like, "I'm making coffee. I'm washing the dishes. I'm going to the store." Day by day, Daniel created a habit. English was no longer a subject. It was a part of his life. Months passed. One evening, Daniel was at a cafe. A tourist asked for directions in English. Without thinking, Daniel answered fluently. He didn't even realize it until later. That night, he smiled. He understood the truth. Fluency had come. not from one big effort, but from many small steps every single day. Shadowing round 1. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat with me. Small steps every day. One drop creates a river. English became part of his life. He spoke without thinking. Fluency came naturally. Shadowing round 2. Repeat again with me. I will practice 10 minutes a day. I'm making coffee. I'm washing the dishes. I answered fluently. Fluency is small steps. Vocabulary practice. Let's practice some words from today's story. Habit. Repeat, habit. Fluency. Repeat, fluency. Promise. Repeat, promise. Tourist. Repeat, tourist. Directions. Repeat, directions. Recap. Let's review the story. Daniel wanted fluency. He failed many times. An old teacher told him small steps matter. Daniel practiced 10 minutes a day. English became a habit. One day, he answered fluently without fear. Great job! Today you practiced listening, shadowing, and vocabulary with me, Jeff. But more than that, you learned the power of practice. Remember, fluency is not one big step. It's many small steps every day. If you liked this bonus episode, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more slow English stories. And in the next episode, I will share another exciting story for you to practice and enjoy. See you soon!